Ina me share one of the account Football Talk headquarters on Twitter, and I normally listed the number of players of free agents. David De Ayew, Jesse Lingard,
Jerome Boateng,
Zaza Munyina, Luis Gustavo. Now going through the list, I mean, who Andre Dede Ayew 33 years. Now I don't know. Going to when I see post, I go to the comments. Yes, into when I see post, I go to the comment. Now I may go to the comment. I'm going to say one particular guy, ni or say Banama. Now on what say Andre Ayew and Boateng should come and play in the Ghana Premier League. And he on a comment. So I decided, is it possible that they can come and play in the Ghana Premier League at the time? Ya close to registration. So we didn't come call certain quarters. Now fancy common and this is it. Dede Ayew and other players, top stars, so meet me about Bobo at the Ghana Premier League. You know. What I was told near said the FA, you know, say window near 2 more, say and 2 more. I create a space for top stars.
Okay.
You have the category near the analyzer say, oh, your top star that can improve the image of the league. So to some extent, Ghana Premier League and our Blasters players, former Blasters players, no, there's that gap created by the FA. So a former Blasters player now will be real. Now person Ghana Premier League at any time now we free agent, special dispensation. It's now register for any Ghana Premier League club of your choice. Inti efa say enese Dede Ayew sorry. No person about any Ghana Premier League team it is possible. Say despite say a close window no, that Ghana Premier League club can sign Dede Ayew. Now, so I monitor conversations now. Also, people are linking Dede Ayew to Asante Kotoko-True. So what sound common now? For the past 3-4 days, and also about a story about air trend the part Dede Ayew to Kotoko. So the first part near say he can easily be registered whether the window have been closed or not. The fancy me 2 examples. The chess no. In fancy the 2 examples, no one na Sule Muntari. So about back a boy in the Ghana Premier League for Heart to Folk.
Okay.
Again, Samuel Inku. So back no on say omotiasema Heart to Folk and register Samuel Inku. Until Dede Ayew nya Ghana. Yen fan say obi say Dominic Dia Ghana, no a free agent. Blasters and for now Bobby. But this way Abuaje, Clifford Abuaje. Or at is on a free agent. Say Omunina Remuno Mokase bia it is possible. But the day you to Kotoko, the Mensa can say as of now there haven't been any official communication between Asante Kotoko and Andre Dede Ayew as at the nano partner and these intimate meeting Komoko Efi. Share what the rules is saying from the camp of Ghana Football Association. And I'm a dim Komoko Kotoko because I'm on a club. Ya linking Dede Ayew. And the amount for can say they wanted to play for Kotoko so that AFCON because now he's without a club. From now up to January, no one Bobo Amobia na precope AFCON ye Konya Dudia Kushimwa. It will raise a lot of questions. In Tinam or pet club beer or the bedding, bet tintin impom. Now, what me keep on the self fit. Send a AFCON ye qua on Subeti Mede, Akobi. So I spoke to Kotoko, and what I was told is that they would love to have him. The panic so they say one when you say,
but when to me and confirm say,
Omanana Casa,
Ebia and Comodia, no, so you can't train Kano Jiga. Ebia boys will be on your hand. I see
the day you are banner Asante Kotoko-True or Padua. Fancy forget about sending a mouth for good the day you were cheap. Kotoko for you, so about the shop Kotoko Jessia. Fancy when you have a Padua, I'm not the day you know, but Obviously, they would love to have him, but there's nothing official like that on the table. House side also no. Fancy you raho. You house so camp. Almost say there be. Bibi outside the days that day. Of course, fancy these are the two clubs I we all know say you love to stay. That's all. But try say. Obe stay wa crap and also be stay wherever Kumase. But house so camp no so fancy. Be the nkomo ko also say yes, they are aware of that but there's nothing concrete between them and Dede Ayew.
Because
these are people but fancy your relationship here. Yes, there are some people are fancy. I mean, more some sources be based on our relationship. No, say because so I say me ko cheche bu I can say the any chain. I was unconfirmed, but Obeka be am one say asem no men kwaka. Oh, ode nyabotre. Oh, but one can nyabotre no ka so bibi anywhere. These are people that I trust so much. So ka say bibi anyone na say bibi anywhere. Bibi wo ho be so ode nyabotre o say bibi e 8 misi. Na say wa ma o hint no so Dede Ayew to the Ghana Premier League. That is what I can say for now. But fancy, as a matter of fact, I was just thinking about it. It would do the Premier League so much good. Say the own boating of free. I say.
Now say this is a Dr. Kukra because they discuss here. Say so nipani a free agent. They said Jerome Boateng dey man go bet ba much bet in fan last 2 weeks. But man decided so mum.
Enti sene na ye kana Dede Ayew to Asante Kotoko. Na ye chibu say for now there. Official information and down said there's nothing like that on the table. But like I was saying, just imagine. I'm still thinking about it. Just imagine the day officially joining Asante Kotoko. And Ubisa said which other position and Kasananka or for Team Asante Kotoko. You are looking at either from the wings or operating from the central zone. Now operating from the central zone. Nezenkefanzo wababi jina obit sebe kaluechi. Na imagine Asante Kotoko Bobo na look at how Dede Ayew, the presence in the air. How are very good with his head. Now imagine deliveries neighbor na yabuako box room na biawo kalu na Dede all battling in the air. That would have been a solid addition for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Again, his experience. Also a left-footed winger / playmaker at the point of about 10. So at least in the doctrine they were seeing on the game from the days moving around the world, Obet me in party players like Richmond Lamtimo when it comes to getting the job done for Asante Kotoko through the middle channels, which is also very, very necessary for the development of Asante Kotoko and how they operate. Talking about the setup, I believe it would say the commercial value such players me added to the team. That's the commercial value. The brand itself, because time I'm joining, I had to focus. It was an issue that BBC, all the big newspapers and big websites in Troy, and one way or the other, that would improve the brand of Kotoko. Commercially, you can market him and make value, make money out of him. I don't say we need a short deal. Eventually, so putting all those things on paper, it would have been a wonderful one. But as to say it's another story again.